Welcome to the Magnitude platform. Today, we're going to demonstrate Google Classroom integration on the site. Let's begin by having a class set up in Google Classroom that will match our class on the Magnitude platform. Within Google Classroom, create your class with a name. Now here within your class, you'll have your stream as well as your classwork. You'll have students join with the class code. Now let's sign in to the Magnitude Classroom. You can use your single sign-on with Google. Select the proper account. And now we have to take several steps to integrate with Google Classroom. At the top, with the Magnitude logo, click on My Account. And now click on the third bullet point, Google Classroom Integration. Let's toggle the button on that says this account is not verified with Google Classroom, and we'll begin the steps for verification. Confirm to enable Google Classroom. Are you sure? Yes. Now again, we have to select the account that we're trying to link. If you happen to get this screen, click on Advanced and go to Magnitude.io. You'll now be given a list of permissions. You must click the box and confirm each one of these in order to have complete usability of each feature of Google Classroom integration. With all the boxes checked, hit Continue. And now the button is toggled on that this account is verified with Google Classroom. Let's now set up our companion Magnitude class. We're going to create a class, give it a name that matches our Google Classroom, and click Save. Now we have our Magnitude class and we can click on Link to Google Classroom. We're going to select the class with the matching name and hit Link to Google Classroom, the purple button at the bottom. And now our classes are linked. You can now sync your students for any students who have joined your class by clicking the purple Sync Students button. Are you sure? Yes. The next step is to assign a lesson. Let's go to our lesson library for ExoLab and assign the first lesson of Student Lab Kit Setup. Click on the Assign Lesson button at the top. Click Assign to Google Classroom. And now we're going to select our Magnitude test class. And on the right, we've already linked it, so we don't need to do that part again. Click Next. Now with the assignment, just as you would have it show up in Google Classroom, you can change the points, make it ungraded, give instructions, and even change the start date and the due date. Click Assign. Now here within your Magnitude class, you'll see that the assignment shows up as Student Lab Kit Setup as an assigned lesson. Over here in Google Classroom, we can now refresh the page and the assignment shows up in the stream. If you want to make any changes to the assignment, you can always edit it. One suggestion might be adding a topic and click Save. Now you're ready to go of having your Magnitude class linked and integrated with Google Classroom.